Your first number up for your 6-pack, G48. 48. B10.
Hey guys, welcome in guys, welcome in.
1-0.
Playing 40 games today. All games are paying $11.99. We're at Chumash Casino.
Oh,
Santa Barbara.
64. 64. Oh, 65. 65.
I know, it's pretty sad, isn't it? That's why we sent a message out to a couple moderators,
B4.
so hopefully the mods will be in soon.
4.
Get some moderators in here to help tame the crowd. If not, I'll
G47.
change
4-7.
the chat over to subscribers only for now until some mods come in.
I-24. 2-4.
You guys like the view of the computer?
B11.
George, is it okay?
1-1. B8. 8. G57. 5-7.
Is the view good? View good?
G60. 6-0.
We're set for 29 or 70. 29 or 70 we're set.
And 40.
Got it guys.
4-0.
Just a 6-pack, right?
Yeah.
Got it. Free space. We got it. First game.
Oh, 70.
Bingo!
Bingo's on 70, left side, in front, table 7. Bingo on front, table 7.
Can I see one of your receipts, please? Orange,
Orange,
847
847
0184
0184
24493
24493. 70, last number called that makes one good bingo.
PhD
PhD,
862022.
862022. 70, last number called that makes 2. Are there any other bingos?
Sure, I'll be back in a couple minutes, okay?
Thank you.
Any other bingos? Hearing no other bingos, I close this game with 2 winners, paying each winner $250. Congratulations to those winners. Early Bird 2, you should be dogging on your green.